Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Tapas app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see Tapas app. If it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So here you will just open it once. So if it's not open, okay, then here you have to just press and hold it here to the app, and then you have to click on this I button. It will open your app info. Okay, then here you have to scroll down and here you have to see for the storage section. Just click on there, and then you have to click on the clear data. Just clear the data. Then here you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, then you have to see for the update. Okay, just open your Google Play Store, or if you're Apple user, then open Apple Store, then search for the Tapas app. So here we can see Tapas. Then from here you can update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.